Good afternoon, Apollos. We are here on another CIS adventure. A reminder on how to log in. If you don't come in through your student bookmarks, click on the single sign in, click on Beaverton School District, and log in. And today we are going to be doing some exploration, and we are going to be doing the skills locator. I want you to click this red box of select skills, and this gives us 72 different kinds of skills that we can put in 3 different areas. If you're not sure what a skill means, you can click on it and drag it over in this box, and it will tell you very quickly what it means. You can organize and rearrange these skills. We have 5 super satisfying skills, the things that are very most important to you. 10 skills that are moderately satisfying, some skills that are somewhat satisfying. Not all skills will go on here. So what I would suggest is you choose your top 5 skills. As you get more and more of your spaces filled in, you might decide that, oh, you know what, using knowledge is really important. I can't tuck it up here because I already have too many. I can drop it down here. And let's say I'm going to move efficiency and put using knowledge up there. I can rearrange these as much as I would like. Now that I've got all of my items organized, the things that I really like to do, the things that I find satisfying, the things that I will do, what I've left over here are things that I'm not really interested in. I am going to go to get my results. This is another version of what we had organized on the previous page. I can click on the themes and interests to show me what I like more than I don't. I can also look at the occupational clusters and the scores that I have. I'm not very interested in protective services or transportation and material moving. However, it looks like I'm really interested in social science, business and finance, and art and entertainment. I'm going to go to my top 30 occupations. I can see the top 30 occupations and my scores. I think 45 is the highest score that I have on anything. And I can just click, let's see, 45, professional bloggers and podcasters. I can go and look through all kinds of things. The overview, what I need to be able to do, things I need to know, related occupations, a program of study, what kind of industry I would be in, and career learning areas. Please look at the occupations that you might find interesting and tuck them in the back of your head for later. You could also put this information on the worksheet that you downloaded previously. I'll put a fresh copy link on the lesson for today.